What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to Native Crypto, the only crypto channel that doesn't try to sell you guys anything. I want to be clear with you. My end goal is to provide you the best crypto guides and price analysis, always based on fundamental reason and upcoming events. On this channel, you will always find coin which I truly believe in. Most important, there will always be fundamental reason behind every choice. If you are a crypto enthusiast and investor, consider to subscribe to this channel. We are releasing a new crypto video every other day. Today we are covering Vechain. This is our second video on Vechain. In the previous one we put a price target of $0.20, which of course, as you know, has been recently smashed. I really hope you have watched that video. In case you haven't watched it, I'm gonna put a link in the upper right corner of the screen so you can watch it. Over the past few months, Vechain has secured numerous partnerships, which is making a solid foundation for a future supply chain solution. But the real question is, can Vechain keep up this impressive momentum, or are we near a retracement? Make sure you watch the entire video. Let's jump into it. First of all, let's talk about Vechain from a fundamental perspective. I have to be honest, it is one of the few enterprise-oriented cryptocurrency that I'm most bullish on. It was able to gain attention both from individuals and institutions to help build the dream of a truly transparent economy. As you know, Vechain is addressing the huge supply chain problem. The idea is to boost the efficiency, traceability, and transparency of supply chains while reducing costs and placing more control in the hands of individual users. To accomplish this, guys, it has made numerous partnerships since last summer. In August last year, Vechain announced the release of a food-oriented supply chain solution on the Vechain toolchain, its blockchain-as-a-service platform. This makes it possible for businesses in the food industry to deploy decentralized application to track their products using pre-made templates specific to their industry. Vechain also partnered with Travala to make it possible to pay for vacation using VET. In September, Vechain joined the Chinese Animal Health and Food Safety Alliance, which includes numerous brands, among them the Chinese brands of McDonald's, Starbucks, and Walmart. In November, it was revealed that top-ranking officials in China's Hubei province had sat down with the Vechain team and risk management firm to discuss tracking and tracing related to the pandemic. In January last year, hospitals in Cyprus began storing vaccination using Vechain's blockchain. Last month, the Vechain Foundation initiated a vote to reduce the base transaction fee paid in Veto, which has increased more than 20x since the start of the year due to the Veto impressive price action. And then, just last week, the Salesforce director Daniel Norki tested the Vechain toolchain and noted it as his favorite blockchain solution due to its simplicity, which was the last major catalyst to Vechain's price. What's next then? Well, guys, unfortunately Vechain doesn't have a clear roadmap, okay? But I have read and listened to some recent interviews with founder Sonny Liu, which offer different clues about what we should expect in the future. Vechain is looking to diversify its utility beyond supply chain and experiment with crypto-specific niches like NFTs. As we can read by this article, the Vechain Foundation claims, as the leading enterprise-friendly public blockchain platform, Vechain is one of the pioneers of connecting NFTs with the real world. Application developers are able to utilize Vechain purpose-built NFT toolset to allow for NFTs with real utility, and that's the main point, guys, real utility. They also noted the Vechain Thor blockchain is the best platform for building NFT-related application. Our blockchain offers a secure, high-speed, and stable protocol coupled with features to remove the complexities of blockchain and comprehensive support to application with real value. I have to be honest with you, I'm so happy to read this, mainly because they want to give a use case to NFT instead of simply sell them and cashing out. In terms of adoption, guys, and here comes the main part, Vechain's team aimed to reach an average daily use of 1 million transactions by the end of the summer, which is a 10x from today's average of around 1,000. As we can see here, the number is steadily increasing over time. Also, we have a big upcoming event which will be a huge price catalyst for VET. As we can read on the official Vechain's team website, Sync 2.0 is coming soon. Sync 2.0 will be the new Vechain digital wallet app that, as we can read here, will provide the missing pieces of critical infrastructure in enabling the true mass adoption of DeFi application technology. True mass adoption. I'm really bullish on this new technology, guys. With Sync 2.0, users are no longer restricted by browser type, mobile, or PC usage. Using the FI application becomes as simple and intuitive as any other web-based application. In combination with Vechain's native fee delegation protocols, users will no longer need to manage crypto to pay gas fees. Put simply, Sync 2 is the missing jigsaw piece that enables a truly seamless DApp experience, paving the way from the mass adoption of the centralized application by removing all barriers to entry. A first for the entire blockchain industry. I have just to agree with the Vechain's team, guys, because if you want more and more people coming into the crypto space, you have to be user friendly. Of course, you have to be useful, but on top of that, you have to be user friendly as well. Here we have a snapshot on how this application will be. With Sync 2.0, user experience becomes as simple and intuitive as any traditional web application. Really good for Vechain. And now coming into the dates, okay? When we should expect something like this. We can read that the beta version for general user approximately will be able in Q2, quarter 2 2021, which is, around the end of May and the start of June. Save the date because, this will be a huge praise catalyst for Vechain as well. Last but not least, of course, the CEO revealed in this recent interview that the Vechain Foundation is in talks with Coinbase as well as other exchanges to list the VET coin. And we all know what happened when this type of event will set in action. The price skyrocketed initially and then immediately retraced, but of course at much higher price than before. It has happened with numerous other altcoins like 1inch, Engine, and Origin Protocol, to name just a few. If you really want to go deep, guys, I suggest you to listen to this interview. It is 1 hour long one, I know, guys, but Sunny Liu is just an amazing CEO and explains a lot of things. Most of them I have summarized it for you and cover in this video. Anyways, if you are interested, I'll put a link in the description below together with all the articles discussed to support your research. Then coming to the technical analysis, the picture is clear. Vechain's price has been increasing to 23% in the last 24 hours, which is absolutely huge considering where we was just 1 month ago. 1 month ago it was around $0.08 and now we are at $0.22, which is, amazing for this coin. So congratulations to all Vechain holders, you are absolutely the best. Looking into the 4-hour chart time frame, we see a little bit of consolidation or retracement, which is absolutely healthy for every asset. We can't go up forever, but we have to retrace. Anyway, we have also 2 technical indicators that will help us with our analysis. But before explaining them to you guys, let me first remind that these are just my thoughts. I will never tell you to buy, sell, or hold an asset. Do always your own research and invest only what you can afford to lose. Always. So the relative strength index, also known as RSI, is hovering around the 70-point range, which means we are just below the overbought range. In fact, if we take into account all the previous times the price has gone over 60 or more badly 70, then it has immediately dropped a bit for a retracement phase. We can see it here over 70 and then boom, a retracement, here over 70 and then snapback, a retracement, and here over 70 and then snapback, another retracement. We are experiencing something like this now, but a little bit of retracement could be healthy and it's absolutely possible, but no one should be fear those retracements. They are healthy, they are absolutely normal in this world. You have to hope to have more and more in the future so you can enter at a lower price, in my opinion, of course. Second, we have the MACD over the 4 hours time frame, which is in the middle of a bullish phase. As you can see here, we are green today. We can take a look down here. It is easy to see this cycling part. Vechain alternates a bullish phase with a bearish one. I have been constantly accumulating more VET coins when we had those short retracements, like here, on either here, because we are in the middle of a general crypto bull run phase that in my opinion will last until the end of this 2021 at minimum. The altcoin phase finally started as well. All the mentioned facts combined with my positive outlook about Vechain project explain why I have chosen the dollar cost average in it, which in my opinion is the best strategy to adopt in case of a long-term investment, okay? So coming to the price prediction. Guys, I'm absolutely bullish on Vechain project. I think it is revolutionary and, we have discussed a lot of reason to be positive on. So considering all the mentioned facts, I see the price hitting 28 cent level, which is the previous all-time high, by the end of this month, and then we'll start May a bit slower in my opinion, but by the end of the next month I do think that we will be above 30 to 35 cent price range. You know guys, I like to keep my price prediction as conservative, realistic, and reasonable as possible. If you're looking for a 100x prediction all the time, you are in the wrong spot. I will always give you my honest opinion on where I think this coin will end up being. So finally, I'm sure we will continue to grow throughout the year. Let's do some realistic and bullish calculation here, okay? You know that the price of a coin is influenced by different factors, but the main one is and will always be adoption. And if the team expect a 10x in transaction by the end of this summer, well, we could see a 3x in Vechain price being conservative. At the time of recording, the market cap is around $14.5 billion. If we multiply this by 3, we will get a market cap of $43.5 billion, which is absolutely achievable by a project like Vechain in my opinion. Now the price is 0.22. Doing a 3x on the price, we should get a price of 0.70 by the end of this summer, being conservative, which could be impressive, but I think it's absolutely possible and realistic for a coin like this. I'm not FOMOing, but I'm bullish on this project. Coming to the end guys, we know that with Vechain entering the NFT space, delivering the Sync DeFi wallet 2.0 and the highly probable Coinbase listing, this coin has a lot of room to grow, especially now that more and more people are waking up and are realizing how much and how big of an impact, how much big and useful the entire Vechain project is. Another important fact to underline is that the team is always on time, they are always working hard to deliver everything as planned. I think that much more company will start using Vechain and will create, a snowball effect that will stabilize VET in the top 10 cryptos. If you are a Vechain holder, like this video and subscribe to this channel if I have earned it, and if we want more and more people to be aware of what is coming, because at the end of the day we really need to go deep to understand what's happening, and if you really understand what's happening, which I truly believe you do after watching this video, we all know that the future is bright and positive. As always, my end goal is to build a healthy community where we can share our thoughts and learn together. In case you would like to research more, I'll put all the previously discussed articles in the description below to help you. Have a great day, see you in the next.